Hi everyone. This video is to protest against what is happening to the street dogs in India. Heard a recent news that Mr. Bhagwant Mann, the CM of Punjab, has announced that all the street dogs would be euthanized by administering lethal injections, the poisons inside them through injections or through food, and all the street dogs would be killed. So we strongly oppose against such decisions. Street dogs are not things which can be destroyed. They are lives. If people who think that they rule over the whole planet, this planet belongs to animals, birds, trees, plants. Without plants and trees, we won't survive because there will be no oxygen. Similarly, without any species of animals, the other species also goes into trouble. If there are less, let's say suddenly herbivores disappear, what will happen? Or like, I can just say what's happening to Indian dogs is a cover up of the bribe system in MCDs, the municipalities of Delhi, Ghaziabad, Allahabad, whatever different states and cities. Why did they not use the funds allocated for dog neutering and sterilization to sterilize and neuter the dogs? Why was the dog population allowed to be extremely, it was high because there was no sterilization programs which happened towards the dogs in so many years. Mr. Modi and his government has been running rabies-free India for years and years, but India could not be rabies-free because the bribe in the MCDs, they did not administer rabies injection to dogs in the streets. And now people are hating the dogs. Is that the fault of the dogs or MCDs or the Ministry of Health who was responsible for the safety of public, or the Ministry of Animal Welfare Board of India who was responsible for the welfare of animals? Speciesism of any kind is against the law. We are doing speciesism by killing the dogs. This what Mr. Bhagwant Mann has been propagating about dogs is that dogs are ferocious. They will kill people. Question yourself. You don't teach your children to be kind towards animals, and when the animals barks back, you think it is an attack, and now you're killing dogs. Why don't you teach your children to be nice to animals? Why don't you be nice to animals? Why can't you feed the animals? How long can you be hungry? As humans, we cannot go off after 3 days of hunger. We might die. And we are starving the dogs to death in animal shelter homes, the different government-run and non-government animal shelter homes. Now we have decided that as Prime Ministers, Chief Ministers, Supreme Court of India, whoever decides suddenly that dogs have become a terror and started killing dogs openly by poisoning them in so many different places. Dogs have been poisoned, burnt to death, raped, female dogs being raped, male dogs, puppies being raped. It's what a shame. Would that not expose humanity to different diseases? Was COVID the only disease just because we wanted to get into wildlife, we wanted to eat everything which was not meant for human consumption? Similarly, now when we are killing dogs, but what about raping the dogs? What's happening is atrocious because that can lead humanity to different diseases too. And people who are doing such heinous brutality towards Indian street dogs, they should have the spine to ask themselves, MCDs, the government, whoever they think work for Animal Welfare Board of India or Ministry of Health, or everyone who is responsible for coexistence of dogs, cats, cows, bulls, everything along with humans in the streets of India. But what happened was bribe. All the money which was allocated for animal neutering and sterilization were not used for their vaccination or sterilization, and hence not even food were given to animals. So many animals in animal shelter homes, especially government run, they die to starvation, die to thirst. So, as an animal lover, a dog lover, I strongly condemn the Supreme Court of India's order since August 2025, and people poisoning dogs, people burning dogs, raping dogs, innocent dogs who are not responsible for whatever has happened. If you have the spine, you ask those MCD government officials, all those people who were responsible for public safety and animal safety and animal welfare, that why the money was which was allocated by the government for rabies free India and for dog sterilization, dog treatment was not given to the animals. Why would it was given or taken by the officials in their personal pockets? And before killing dogs, remember the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 of India, which comes under the Constitution of India, safeguards India's dogs too, because dogs are domesticated animals. They cannot be Bhagwant Mann, Vijay Goel, and all those ministers. Please stop violating the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. That's a constitution which safeguards the dogs too. Stop killing Indian dogs. We strongly condemn across the globe, and we won't tolerate what CM of Punjab has announced, that dogs would be euthanized to death. We strongly condemn that decision, that evil, inhumane announcement. So, guys, please protest as much as we can. We have to do our best for our Indian dogs. They are innocent. They're starving. They are being beaten to death. Now they would be openly euthanized in Punjab, and so many different states will follow. So please protest against the euthanization which has been announced by the CM of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, and what Vijay Goel has been doing. Whatever the different courts, the different officials who doesn't understand or who don't understand that dogs were not responsible for dog population growth. It was the sterilization and vaccination program's failure by the government officials who were responsible for rabies free India, who were responsible for street animal population control. And finally, guys, I would just say, do your best. Don't let injustice happen. Thank you so much.